Hey people, what's up? Welcome to Everybody Got Talent. Today we're going to review this product, the fitness tracker, your health tracker. I think it's from VeryFitPro. Over here it's made in China. I got this on Amazon for $30. And scan this QR code to actually get the app so you can connect it with your iOS 8 and get it to connected and Android. So now over here it's a heart rate. It has heart rate monitor. It has a step pedometer, distance, and it has calories, sedentary alert. And over here there's a speed pedometer, sleep monitor, SMS alert, and a heart rate monitor. So let's go. For the wristband, it tells you lots of stuff, how to plug it in. It's in Chinese and English. So over here, and now let's get to the watch. Now over here, this is the fitness watch. Now over here, as you can see, it's kind of like this rubbery plastic material. It's bendy, nice, comfortable when you wear it. It won't come off, I think, because it has rubber on it. And when you put your hand, it actually activates. So now if I want to charge it, now we should, this is the heart. So this tracks the heart. And now we'll just pull this out a little. That. I'll get my coding bank here. Now I'm just gonna plug it in. If you see the gold part, should be like on the like that, I think. No, sorry, the wrong way. It's supposed to be like that. Now as you can see it's on. Now we're just gonna start charging it, and as you can see a red light has appeared. So yeah, that's how you charge it. And over here, now after you charge it, there's this cover over here so you can take it out later. And you can also take this part out so you can maybe there might be other bands you can exchange colors, combine colors, but I don't want to do that. And so yeah. And over here, if you put it on, it actually activates the heart reader. So put it on, it will track my heart. Now I'll take this cover off like that. Now it's showing me my heart. It's 85, walk, run, and then it's really good. I think if I tap it, I should tap it. I'll put this on. Now, should I tap it again? No, I don't know. So like that. Then bike. So like that. And it tells you the time. It's Friday and it's 1. So then it tells you your steps. 0 steps right now because I didn't use it. It tells me my heart. And now it tells me walking and stuff like that. And now maybe if I tap on the walk well, yeah. So that's this fitness watch. And bye. Meet you later.